Namaste. Welcome to this module on weight loss booster yoga practices. In this module, we are going to be having a combination of both dynamic as well as static yoga asanas and practices. It's going to help in accelerating the whole fat burning process in your body. So I hope you are ready. Roll out your mats and let's get started. Alright, so I hope you are all set to get started. The first practice that we are doing is the Chakki Chalan Asana. For this, stretch your legs in front of you and keep a mat wide distance between both your legs. Interlock your fingers in front of you and keep your arms straight. They should be parallel to the floor. Keep your toes relaxed, toes pointing the ceiling. In this practice, we have to keep the back straight, so lift your back up nicely. Look at your posture. Do not lift your shoulders up. Shoulders remain absolutely relaxed. Now imagine as if someone's pulling you in front of you with your interlocked palms. So you're going to stretch in front and now swing over your right toes. Go back, lean back as much as possible, keeping your hands straight, elbows are locked. Swinging to the left and coming in front. So this is the movement that we are going to repeat 5 times in the clockwise direction and 5 times in the anti-clockwise direction. Let us begin. Swinging to the right, go back and inhale. Swing to the left, come in front and exhale. The speed can be as per your comfort and strength. Please make sure that you are not bending your elbows at any time. Go back as much as possible using your abdominal muscles and complete your 5 rounds and come back to the starting position. We are going to repeat on the other side as well. So swinging over the left, going back, inhale, coming in front, exhale. You're doing great. Go back and come in front. 3 more counts to go. So it's a wonderful practice to tone the abdominal muscles and also the reproductive organs. Complete your round. Stop the practice and relax. So the movement is exactly the one which is like churning the mill. Make sure that you keep a few points in mind while doing this practice. The elbows should not bend, the knees also should remain straight. Let us move ahead and do the next practice, which is Nauka Sanchalan. Just like the name suggests, this is going to be rowing the boat. So the motion is going to be forward to backward movement. So join your legs together and keep your feet straight. Now imagine that you're in a boat and you have to hold the oars. So you're going to make a fist, again keeping your back straight, nice and tall, and keeping both the fists at the side of your chest. Now, as you exhale, you're going to bend forward from your waist. Alright, and as you do that, you're going to stretch your arms in front of you. Let's try and do that once. Taking it nice and up, moving in front, giving a good stretch to the body. As you inhale, go back. Again, move back as much as possible, leaning back, using your abdominal muscles. Exhale and coming front again. So when you're going back, you're inhaling and bending the arms. When you're moving in front, you're exhaling and stretching the arms in front. So this is the movement we are going to be doing 5 times in the forward direction and 5 times in the backward direction. Let us begin. Going in front and back. Make sure that you're using the entire range of movement of your hands and the elbows. And make sure that you're moving your waist, moving from your waist. Complete your round, stop the practice, and now we are going to be moving on the other side. So go back, 1 and 2, 3. Make sure we are breathing right. So as you're going back, you're inhaling. As you're coming in front, you're exhaling. 2 more times. Complete your round and come back to the starting position and relax. Just relax your feet a little bit. So we move ahead and we relax in one static practice, which is the mountain pose. You can sit in a cross-legged position. Join your palms together in front of your chest. Chin is parallel to the floor. As you inhale, lift your hands up and let the upper arms come close to your ears. Keep your abdomen relaxed, a gentle smile on your face. This is a very good practice to open up the lungs. So inhale nice and deep. So a lot of benefits of holding this practice for longer times. It's a very good strengthening exercise. It's going to work primarily on the upper body. It makes your cervical and shoulders absolutely strong. It also helps in releasing any kind of stress, tension which is built up in the cervical region. Make sure that you're not tensing up your abdomen. When you're holding this practice, keep your abdomen absolutely relaxed. There is a tendency of lifting the knees slightly up also in this practice. So make sure that your knees are relaxed. We are holding here for just a couple of more seconds. Another reason to do this practice, it's a beautiful practice to open up the spinal column. So it gives a very good stretch to the whole of the spinal column here. Maintain there for just a few more seconds. You can keep your awareness at the different parts of the body where you're feeling that stretch at the upper arms. You can notice the flow of your breath. And we are here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very slowly bring your hands down in front of your chest. And slowly place your palms on your knees and relax. Take a nice deep inhalation in and slow exhalation out. From here, we are going to do another dynamic practice, which is going to be the Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasan, which is a dynamic spinal twisting practice. Let's get started. Stretch both the legs in front of you and keep a wide distance again, like you did for Chakki Chalan. Stretch both the hands in front of you, keeping both the palms facing each other. Arms are parallel to the floor. Now stretch yourself in front slightly, and your left palm is going to be touching the right toes. Right hand goes behind. Keep your back straight. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale and twist to your left. Inhale and come back to the center. We'll be picking up the speed now for this practice. Exhale as you're twisting to the sides. Inhale as you're coming to the center. Let's get started. Exhale and front, left and front, 2 and front, left and front. Repeat. So this is a wonderful practice again to let go of any tension which is built up at the lower back. We're going to do a couple of more rounds of this practice and slowly complete your round. Stop the practice and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's go ahead and do the next practice. This is going to be the Titli Asan, the butterfly pose. For this, Separate your knees, bend your legs at the knees and bring both the soles together. Now interlock your fingers around your toes, pull your heels closer to the groin, keep your back straight. We'll be moving the knees up and down, flapping it just like the wings of a butterfly. With every flap, keep your awareness on the hip joints and feel the hip joints loosening up. This is going to be a great practice to improve the flexibility of the hip joints. You can do a stronger flapping movement as well. Maintain this movement for 30 to 60 seconds to begin with, and you can progress for up to 1 minute or even 1 minute 30 seconds. Continue the practice. With this practice, the breathing remains absolutely normal. Breathing in, breathing out, harmonious and rhythmic. Make sure that you're feeling the movement at the hip joints. This is a very good practice to also tone up your thigh muscles. We maintain that for just a few more seconds. If you feel that your spine is getting tired and you're slightly slouching, just pull yourself up again. Repeat the movement, gentle movement. Enjoy the practice. You can keep your eyes closed and do this practice as well. Continue for a few more rounds. Slow down, stop the practice, relax, and from here we'll do a couple of spinal twists. So you can cross your legs, sit in a cross-leg position, keeping your back straight, arms relaxed. For the spinal twists, keep your right hand behind the hips, again keeping your arms straight, left palm on your right knee, and give a good twist from your right side, chin in line with your right shoulder. Slowly look in the center, right palm goes on your left knee, left hand behind, and give a good twist on your left side and bring your head back to the center. Let's repeat this a couple of times, a little faster. Going to the right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. We repeat this a couple of more times with a breathing practice. So how will the breathing be in this practice? As you twist, you're going to exhale out actively through the mouth. Let's do that once. Inhale to the center, exhale to the left, inhale to the center. Repeating that a couple of more times. Center, 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 center. One last time. Center, center. With the active exhalation, we make sure that we are removing any remainder carbon dioxide which may be there lying stagnantly in your lungs, and we ensure that we are making good space for more oxygen to go into the lungs. So with this, we are done with the module on weight loss booster practices. I hope that you had fun doing all of these exercises. Make sure that you're progressing and doing more counts as you go ahead. Take care. See you in the next module. Namaste.